Hey there. The Normcore Barista Brush is a must-have for coffee enthusiasts who want to keep their brewing area clean and organized. Whether you're a home barista or running a cafe, this brush is designed to make cleanup effortless. Why you'll love it. Elegant design crafted with a natural black-stained oak wood handle. It combines style and durability for a premium feel. Efficient cleaning. The sturdy bristles are perfect for sweeping away coffee grounds from your grinder, espresso machine, or counter. Ergonomic grip, designed for comfort, the handle ensures easy maneuverability during cleanup. Multi-purpose use, ideal for keeping your coffee setup tidy and free from residue. Say goodbye to mess and hello to effortless maintenance with the Normcore Barista Brush, your partner in perfect coffee preparation.